Hi everyone, so this is my beautiful client here. Today what we're going to do is try to give her some nano brows. So I want you to look straight at the camera. She has this main portion of her brows showing, but this portion is missing. But if you were to look at the natural layout of the face, it's giving out the angle of the brows heading out this way. So if she was to fill in her own natural brow and accentuate the angle of it rotating this way, it's going to give her a more like angry expression. So you have to focus on the expression the new brows are going to give her. What I'm going to try to do is break the angle going this way and make the angle go this way instead. And then instead of this angle pointing down, I'm going to try to break this natural angle and have it point rather this way. And what that's going to do is open up her eye, give her a more soft expression, and it's gonna just make the overall shape way better. Okay, so we have this one perfected. I showed it to her, she loved it. So what I went ahead and did is I made everything really precise where everything I want it to be. Then what we're gonna do is take the caliper, measure it this way. This is the highest point of the brow. And I'm gonna just go ahead and start that. So about here. Then you're gonna see the highest point of the arch. All right, so we did finish this brow. If you see the pattern, it's pretty simple, but in combination with the little hairs that she has, it looks really nice and neat. She loves it. It's very like airy and natural. So all I have to do now is create it on this brow. And the way I normally start, again, is with like a stroke going this way and then this way, and then they start to connect a little bit at the top. So right here is the first stroke that's going down. So I'm going to try to create the same stroke around here, have them go down, and then have them meet up and go out this way. And I always work like a printer this way up. So now that we have our outline, I'm going to start filling in each stroke. And then if you want more ink implantation, just tilt your machine like this way and push the ink in this way. You see like that, and shading it back and forth, that should be pretty good. So now you can see your stroke is getting full of ink. You can move on to the next one. And you're gonna start to notice that you're gonna need to fill the strokes like so. So I'm gonna fill these strokes just like how I did with these strokes, and then we'll go back in and we'll catch up when I get to this part. All right guys, so she is all done. So turn this way. So what I tried to do is to do mainly like main strokes. I didn't do a lot of branching. And what I wanted is a soft, airy look. So when she, like, look from far away a little bit. So when you look at her face, it's more like the angle is this way, the angle is out that way. Before they were like this way, you know, like down, down. And now it's like soft, and it just like, it sits on her face, like do an expression, kind of like raise your eyebrows or like smile. Like it just works. It doesn't look like she did anything. And she didn't have anything done before, so this is so perfect for her. I'm so happy with how these turn out, and she is too. Yay! All right, everyone. So we are all done. They just look so amazing on her. I tried not too much to interfere with some of the broken skin right here. when she comes back on her touch-up. Once that's healed, we can do what we want in that area. But it didn't really hinder our work that much. Oh, these look so good. Very airy, very light, because she didn't want anything like aggressive. And that's it, guys.